Are you ready to take your long-range shooting game to the next level? Whether you're an experienced marksman or a beginner looking to enhance your accuracy, choosing the right scope can make a world of difference. With so many options available, the decision can feel overwhelming. That's why in this video, we're breaking down the top long-range scopes available on Amazon to help you make an informed choice. Stay tuned as we compare features, performance, and overall value to find out which scope truly deserves the title of the best in its class. Number 5, Vortex Optics Viper HST 624X. The Vortex Viper HST is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable, mid-range scope. It boasts a durable build, designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, and comes backed by Vortex's VIP warranty, a lifetime guarantee that adds peace of mind. One of its standout features is the first focal plane FFP reticle, ensuring accuracy across all magnifications. This makes range estimation and holdovers more consistent, a crucial feature for long-range precision. Another highlight is the Razor Zero Stop feature, allowing shooters to return to zero after making elevation adjustments, ideal for long-distance shooting where quick readjustments are essential. However, it's not without its quirks. At low magnification, the reticle can be challenging to see, and at higher magnifications, it might appear thicker than preferred. Priced at around $999, the Viper HST offers premium features without an exorbitant cost, making it an excellent choice for hunters and recreational shooters seeking great value. Number 4, Leupold Mark V 5x5 25x56mm Monicree FFP. The Leupold Mark V HD stands out for its remarkable versatility. This scope masterfully blends hunting practicality with competition-grade precision, making it suitable for a variety of shooting scenarios. Weighing less than most scopes in its class, it's ideal for hunters who need to minimize gear weight. The M5C3 elevation turret is compact, yet feature-packed, providing precise and tactile adjustments. The PR2 mil reticle is specifically designed for competitive shooters, offering fine aiming points for long-range targets. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. The illuminated reticle feature is an additional cost, which might deter some buyers, and the field of view is narrower compared to similar models. Despite these minor flaws, the Leupold Mark V HD is a premium choice for those wanting a high-performance scope that seamlessly bridges hunting and competition needs. Number 3, Vortex Optics Razor HD Gen 3 636 FFP. If precision is your priority, the Vortex Razor HD Gen 3 should be on your radar. Renowned for its exceptional glass clarity and consistent performance, this scope delivers remarkable accuracy even at extreme distances, up to 1,400 yards and beyond. The EBR7D reticle is ideal for precise aiming, offering detailed holdover points for windage and elevation adjustments. Its turret adjustments are both tactile and responsive, making it easy to dial in shots quickly. The Razor HD Gen 3 isn't perfect though. It's noticeably heavy, which can be cumbersome for mobile shooters or hunters. Additionally, the hefty price tag of around $3,000 may put it out of reach for casual shooters. However, for serious long-range enthusiasts and competition shooters, its outstanding performance more than justifies the investment. Number 2, Riton Optics 2023 Series 7 Conquer 432 X56 MOA. For shooters who want excellent performance without spending a fortune, the Riton Optics 2023 7 Conquer is a standout choice. This scope features high-quality Japanese glass that offers exceptional clarity and edge-to-edge sharpness. It excels in tracking and holds essential for consistent long-range shooting. The zero-stop system allows for quick and accurate return to zero after adjustments, and the FFP reticle aids in precision shooting across all magnifications. Despite its many positives, it does have a few shortcomings. The eye box is somewhat narrow, which may make acquiring targets quickly a challenge, and the minimum magnification could be higher to provide more versatility. However, priced around $440, the Series 7 Conquer offers outstanding value and is suitable for both hunters and competition shooters. And even though some people may call it shit, Number 1. CVLIFE Rifle Scope 624x50. For shooters on a tight budget or those just starting, the CVLIFE Rifle Scope 624x is an unbeatable value. This scope provides impressive optical clarity, especially considering its incredibly low price point. The illuminated reticle enhances low light performance, making it suitable for dawn or dusk shooting sessions. Additionally, it maintains zero reliably even after repeated use, which is impressive for its price bracket. That said, compromises are inevitable at this price point. The eye relief becomes quite tight at higher magnifications, and there is noticeable edge distortion at maximum zoom. The reticle is also relatively basic, lacking the advanced features found in more expensive models. However, for under $50, the CVLIFE rifle scope delivers solid performance for medium-range shooting and is an excellent option for beginners or casual shooters. After evaluating performance, durability, and value, the Vortex Optics Razor HD Gen 2 takes the top spot. Its unparalleled glass clarity, consistent tracking, and excellent customer service from Vortex make it the best choice for serious long-range shooters. While the price is high, the performance and reliability it offers make it a worthwhile investment for dedicated marksmen. What are your thoughts? Do you agree with our top pick? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. All product links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!